everyone. Today we'll be discussing the stiffness matrix, pero we will be only talking about beams. And this is another way of solving reactions for determining beams. Aside from SDM, MDM, free moment equation, we also have stiffness matrix. So, sa stiffness matrix, we need system displacement. Ito yung displacement ng beam. Since we are talking about matrix, in solving the system displacement is in terms of matrix then. So, that will be the displacement equals your stiffness matrix in inverse function times your P minus PL, where your PL is the moments developed in the analytical model due to the given load. Your P is the final moment acting in the coordinate direction, and your K is your stiffness matrix. So, in finding the reactions, we have this general formula, again in matrix form. That is your PF equals your PS, T sub X, times your displacement times your P sub Fix. So, the stiffness matrix general size or formula is this kanina matrix. It is a 4x4 size matrix. So, ito gagamitin natin mamaya sa pagkuha nito. So, para mas maintindihan, let's proceed to the example. Here we have a indeterminate beam with a length of 10. Meron tayong distributed load, 15 kN per meter, and a point load with a 45 kN. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, in each span, we have different inertia. So, sa span AB, we have 1.5, and the span BC, we have 2. So, first things first, let's solve for the FEM, or the fixed end moment, just like other method in solving indeterminate reactions. So, in this part, in-isolate ko yung span AB because we will also be getting the reactions at A in the RB1. RB1 kasi sa span BC, we also have RB2. So, here, first things first is the fixed end moment at AB, that is negative WAT squared over L. Just plug in the values and then you will get the negative 40 kN meter. The same thing goes with your fixed end moment at BA. Plug in mo lang din yung values and then you will get the 20 kN meter. Now in getting the reactions, this is just a sum of moment at B, clockwise positive, so that is 6 RA. The moment arm of the RA is 6 minus 45 times 4, the moment arm of 45, minus 40 na fixed end moment, negative of course, kasi counter ang direction ni fixed end moment at AB, and then plus 20 for the fixed end moment at BA. So that would give us the RA 33.333 kN. Sa RB1 naman, pwede nang submission of forces along Y na lang, that would be RB1. Anyway, by the way, upward positive. So that would be RB1 plus the RA, which is 33.333, minus your 45 point load, Kn equals to 0, and makukuha na natin yung RB1, that would be 11.667 Kn. Now, moving on to span BC, ganito din yung gagawin. Kukunin natin yung fixed end moment, BC and CB. And ito yung nakuha natin, negative 20 for the BC and positive naman sa CB. And sa pagkuha ng reaction, since symmetrical naman yung load, we could just conclude that RB1 is equal to RC, or that will also be 15 times 4 divide 2, since dalawa sila. So, we will be getting the 30 stiffness matrix, si analytical model, i-analyze natin yung beam kung saan meron slope. So, i-analyze natin yung each support kung saan meron slope. So, since si A support is fixed, so obviously walang slope. However, si B and si C is a pin support, therefore meron siyang slope. So, that would be theta B and theta C. And since silang dalawa lang naman yung slope, we will just name them or nanumberan natin sila ng 1 and 2. Now, how to get the, kailangan natin kunin yung slope. So, in getting slope, we need the, itong system displacement because this displacement is also equal to your slope. So, since dalawa ang slope na kailangan natin, that means dalawa din ang kailangan natin na displacement. So, this means na ang size ng displacement natin is 2 by 1. Isang displacement para sa first or sa B and another displacement para kay C. Or that would be theta B and theta C. So now, since ang kailangan natin is theta B and theta C, we will be needing the stiffness matrix, your B and your PL. So first, let's look for our PL. And since, again, dalawa ang kailangan natin slope, that also means na dalawa din ang kailangan natin PL. And si PL, ito yung fixed end moment na sinong natin kanina. Since ang focus lang naman natin is si B and si C, ang kailangan lang din natin ng fixed end moment is yung kay B and si C. And since si B, dalawa ang fixed end moment niya, si BA and si BC, i-add lang natin yan. And then si fixed end moment naman sa C is dito lang din. So, kinuha natin yung fixed end moment kanina sa BA and sa BC, that is 20 and then negative 20. I-add lang, that would give us 0. And then CB, fixed end moment sa CB is tabi lang, that is 20. So now, meron na tayong TL, which is 0 and 20. And now, okay na to. So, ngayon naman, si B naman ang hanapin natin. So, kung saan yung slope natin sa analytical model, yun lang din yung titingnan natin dito sa original na beam. So, since sa analytical model, si B and C ang may slope, si B and C lang din ang titingnan natin kung meron pa siyang moment sa beam. So, since wala kayong moment na force dito sa beam, that means si P1 and si P2 is 0, 0 lang din. Okay? So, meron na tayong P. So, now, si stiffness matrix naman ang kukunin natin. Yung binigay ko na formula kanina, ito yun siya. Ang magbabago na naman dito is itong mga denominator on each, yan yung L or length ng kada span. So, since si span AB is my 6 meter na span, so papalitan na natin yung lahat ng denominator ng 6. So, i-multiply lang to, itong 1.5, don't forget the 1.5, kasi sa span AB kanina 1.5 ang inertia natin, sa span BC is 2. So, ang gagawin lang is 1.5, ita-times lang natin siya dito. Kada isa yan, 1.5 times lang dito din, isa-isa. And then, makukuha natin ito. And by the way, yung first, column ng stiffness matrix mo is represents your reaction at A. Si column 2 naman represents your fixed end moment AB. Si column 3, reaction B1. Si column 4 naman is your fixed end moment sa BA. And si row naman, ganun din. Si first row represents the reaction at A. Second row, fixed end moment, ganun, so on and so forth. And now, yun na, solve na natin. Ito na yung nakuha natin sagot. Just, this matrix ni AB is equal to EI. Ilabas na natin si EI para hindi nakakalito. So, ayun. Since si AB, balik tayo dito. Since span AB, si B lang yung may slope, and pinangalanan natin siyang 1 kanina. So that means, kailangan lang din natin sa stiffness matrix is yung fixed end moment sa BA. Kasi siya lang yung kailangan natin dito. Siya lang yung slope lang yung kailangan natin dito. So, since we name the slope 1, ipapangalanan din natin itong column 4 and yung row 4 as 1, 1. So, the rest, ito, hindi na natin na kailangan. Ito din, matatagal na. Ito din, ito. So, therefore, ito lang yung kailangan natin. So, since we name this as 1, 1, papangalanan na lang din natin yung ating stiffness matrix as K sub 1, 1. That is equals to 1 nandito, 1 AI. So that is just equals to AI. And now, kay span BC naman, ganun lang rin. Of course, don't forget si 2 kasi times 2 yung ating inertia. Ita-times natin si 2 on each here, kada isa. And then again, si column 1 represents your reaction at P2. Column 2 represents your fixed end moment sa BC, and so on and so forth. Ganun din sa row. And then, after distributing these two and simplifying, ito yung nakuha nating mga values. And since, again, balik tayo sa span BC. Span BC, ang kailangan natin dito is slope B and C. Or that is 1 and 2. So, yung moment lang din, yung fixed end moment lang ang kailangan natin. So, that would be, since si slope B is 1, so we name this as 1. Ganun din dito. And si slope C is 2. Ganun din dito. And now, the rest of the matrices, hindi na natin kailangan ito, and ito, and ito. So, ang kailangan lang natin dito is ito, this one, and this one. So, since we name each this column and rows as 1 and 2, we will also name our matrix as K sub 1, 1, K sub 1, 1, which is dito, that would be 2EI, and stiffness matrix ni 1 and 2, that would be 1EI with just EI. Ganun din si stiffness matrix 2, 1, that is 1 or just EI, and the stiffness matrix ni 2, 2, that is 2EI. Okay, so here is the summarization sa ating nakuha kanina sa mga stiffness matrix for the span AB. So since span AB ito, and sa span AB, yung fixed end moment PA lang, merong slope. That means the rest of the other yung RA, FEB and RB1 is just 0, and 4 kay fixed end moment PA. Plus, yung fixed end, yung mga nakuha natin fixed end moment and reactions kanina, first solution. And simplify lang, yung EI ma-cancel. And ito, unfortunately, by the way, itong calculation technique na to is for Casio only. Hindi ako sure sa Canon. So, unfortunately, si Casio walang 4x4 na matrix. Ang maximum niya lang is 3x3. So, ito, you have no other option but to solve this manually. And, okay lang din naman kasi, since na ginawa dito kanina, hindi nyo gagawin dito. So, since 0 naman ito, and multiplying this dito and doon, that will just give us a value of 0. So, instead, gagawin na lang natin is C4 na lang ang i-multiply natin dito, 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 and dito. And this will give us the value -1, 2, 1, and 4. Since the rest of multiplying these zeros will just give us the value of 0, diretso na tayo kay 4. And then plus itong ito na matrix, copy lang. And then simplify, just simply add them, -1 plus 33.333, that will be 32.333. And then 2 plus -4, -38. 1 plus 11.667, that will give us 12.667. And lastly, 4 plus 20, that will be 24. And now, kay span BC naman, ganun na din, copy the matrix na nasolve natin sa span BC kanina. And then, yung displacement ni BC. So, since si BC, sa B at sa C, siya meron displacement, which is the fixed end moment BC and the fixed end moment CB. So, that would be, dito mo din ilalagay yung 4 and yung -12 dito. And the rest is just 0, 0. So, again, in multiplying this, here is, kasi 0 lang din. So, instead, C4 and C12 lang din yung solve natin directly na. So, that would give us the value 6, -4, -6, and -20. Plus, ito na matrix, copy that here, dito, and just simplify. 6 plus 30, 36, -4 plus -20, -24, -6 plus 30, that would be 24, -20 plus 20, that would give us 0. And lastly, therefore, yung moment natin at A is just simply your fixed end moment na nakuha dito. This one. And since nag-negative siya, that means 38 kN meter is in counterclockwise direction. And reaction at A, yung nakuha mo na dito, that is your reaction at A na. Moment at A. And the reaction at B is just a combination of your RB1, this one, plus this one. So that will be 12.667 plus 36. That will give us 48.667 kN. And CR